You just a bitch to me. You just a bitch. You just a bitch to me. You probably sitting down to take a piss. The rest is history. The recipe for ecstasy is two bad bitches next to me. Yeah, I gotta get it, bitch. I guarantee I come through hard. I leave you scraping scored on the boulevard for no reward. Yeah, I go hard and then I go harder. The things I do to provide for my daughter. Every time she come through, she get a little taller. Yeah, I gotta get it. Gotta be a father. Most y'all don't understand. Most y'all don't bother what it is to be a man. Yeah, I is live with my mama. Bring you the business, the drama. Stay drama free. Gotta get it, man. Oh, I be up all night, couple days a week. Then I'm sleeping in the rest of the days. Walk around in the endless maze for days at a time. Ask me if I can rap, I'm like my paper don't rhyme. I got a few, watch it, bitch, I ain't got the time. I got a few dollars cause I'm heavy on the grind. VIP status, no standing in line. I'm coming down on maggots and faggots at the same time. Ask me if I can rap, I'm like my paper don't rhyme. Got a few, watch it, bitch, I ain't got the time. Watch me calm down, watch me look clean. Watch me run the town, watch me serve these fiends. Watch me chase my dreams. Watch me. Don't watch me, watch TV. Hat so full of philosophy, like Aristotle, Socrates. I kick it more than a soccer team. There's an eagle with the red beam, you know what I mean? It's all real, ho. Pussy still get fucked. Yeah, I gotta get it. Yeah, I'm kinda nuts. Yeah, lick my nuts. Yeah, suck my dick. Yeah, get it. Yeah, don't spit.